Hi, hello and salam. Welcome to CoelhosGarden. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow us on Instagram.
Hello and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. Today we're making a super yummy, quick recipe, pink pasta. Now we start with boiling the pasta. In a saucepan, you take about a liter of water. You add in some oil and you add in some salt. Now to get the perfect texture for your pasta, you require to cook this at least for 12 minutes. Once this is done, start making the sauce. Now for the sauce, you're going to require 1 beetroot which I've boiled with salt and peeled, 2 green chilies and 4 cloves of garlic, lime juice. You need not add water because you do not want a runny paste, and olive oil. You add them all into a mixer and you make them a paste.
Meanwhile, we'll check and stir the pasta. Now our pink sauce for the pasta is ready. We'll start making toppings for the pasta.
I have some feta cheese here. Two teaspoons of lime juice and some dill leaves.
Mix it well.
And our topping is ready. You can use a knife and cut into the pasta to see if your pasta is ready. If you prefer your pasta to be slightly more softer, you can continue to cook for the next 3 or 4 minutes. Once this is done, you strain the pasta. I'm not going to use the entire paste. I'm only going to use 3 tablespoons. What I generally do is I store the rest of the sauce. So the next time I want to make pasta, I have the ready sauce already there. You can freeze this for about a month and you can use it anytime.
Now our pasta is ready.
Now let's plate our dish. Let's take some pasta. Put some feta over the pasta. Sprinkle some dill leaves. And some chili flakes. And that's your super tasty pink pasta ready with a burst of flavors in your mouth.
Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment below if you've liked my recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow me on Instagram. The account link is in the description. See you on Sundays, Tuesdays and Fridays.